Welcome to today's video, and today we're going to be looking at how to add news on your SharePoint site. Find a SharePoint site with a news web pod. Click on Add on the news web pod and select New Post. You can write a title for your news post. You also have the option to upload images from multiple sources. You can select the focus for your banner image. You can also have different layout options for your banner image. You can select the alignment of your banner image. You can now select to have columns below the banner image where we can start to populate content. You can also select a section background. Now we can start to add text. Next to that text, we can also add images. Adjustments can be made to the text. We can make some of the text header and some of the text just plain normal text. At each new column we have options for layout and what we put on it. For this example, we're going to put an image and put a text over that image. On the news you can also add interactive elements. We're going to add a YAML posting on there, and people are able to interact with this YAML posting. When you're happy with the news you've posted, you can click publish and it's then shared with the rest of the company. You can interact with some of the web parts while reading the news. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next series.